for joining the game. Ito po yung instruction. Minimum to maximum, arrange yourself according to height. Okay, arrange yourself according to height. Magtanuan po tayo. Arrange yourself according to height. Mula sa pinakamalit, hanggang sa pinakamalit. Ayan. And then, mag-arrange po kayo sa pinakamalit. Ayan. And then, pag naka-arrange na po tayo, palakpak tayo ng 3 beses. Okay, last few times. 1, 2, 3, and then upo. Upo lang. Upo, and then sisigaw ng Happy Birthday, Mariel.
Happy Birthday, Mariel!
Okay, tayo na po tayo. Yan yung instruction ng game natin na minimum to maximum. First to make 3 points, unahan po tayo. So, game Pilipinas! Game ka na ba?
Game na!
Ulit daw. According to age, go! Nauna yung first team natin. Checkin natin, ma'am, age.
Teka muna! Tama ba?
15. Next, ma'am, age. 25. 16.
Wala!
32. 36. 17. Okay, so 1.14 billion. Ganun lang po yung ginagawa tayo, boys team. Minimum to maximum, arrange yourself according to, minsan according to size of shoes. Go! Size of shoes! Size of shoes! Size of shoes, ma'am? 6. 6 and a half? 6 and a half? 7 and a half? 7 and a half. So, boys, habol tayo. So, minimum to maximum, arrange yourself according to, bawal naman sila kayo, according to waistline. Go! Waistline! Bakit mas alas ang boys pagdating sa waistline? Check! Check! Waistline po nila, sir. 27. 28.
30!
30. 32. 32. So, 1 point down for boys team. Yan, score namin is 2-1. Okay, minimum to maximum. Arrange yourself according to birth month. Buwan ng kapanganakan mo. Girls team natin, checkin natin. Birth month. April. September. Ang winner po namin for our first game is yung girls team. Sabali lang po yung boys. Dito lang po tayo, may second game pa tayo. Pero may prize na yung game natin, okay? Second game natin is tungkol sa manok. Saan po ba nanggagaling ang manok? Itlog. So ang next game natin is egg relaying. Yan, so bigyan ko lang isang itlog, boys, and 1 egg for girls. Ganito lang yung instruction from top to bottom. Next one is from bottom to top. Third player, top to bottom.